Have you ever felt frustrated because your birthday is approaching and you don't have money to take studio pictures? Come, let me show you what to do and how to get a studio picture without breaking the bank. So first, we'll be using AI tool called Gemini, and this is the Gemini interface. So this is what it looks like. You'll see your create image, create music, help me learn, write anything. So this is the interface and how it looks like. So we'll be heading to getting our prompts to generate the studio pictures. So we'll go to our ChatGPT with our ChatGPT here, and we are going to just tell it what we want. I already have what I want it to do. See, I want to generate a picture of a lady standing confidently with her hands folded in a professional setting. So this is the idea of what I want to generate. Standing in a professional setting, and she has a frontal wig that is packed all back. She's putting on a corporate pink blazer. And another thing you should know when getting this kind of pictures is you need to be very specific with your instructions. Tell it the exact things you need, because when you're not specific, it will just assume that this will work, it will give you anything, and you might not like the outcome. So you need to be very specific. Tell it the kind of hair, the kind of clothes, the kind of shoes, the concepts, the background. Just be very specific so that you will get a better result. So after uploading your instructions, so this is our prompt here. You see, create a high realistic cinematic, and also tell ChatGPT, the AI tool you are using to generate your picture, so that it will tailor the prompt into that AI tool style, because you can't just copy any prompt and paste on any AI tool. It won't come out well. So this is the tool we are using to generate these pictures, Gemini AI, Google Gemini. So this is our prompt. What you have to do is to copy the prompt. So after copying it, you are going to paste it in our Gemini. So let's go back. Those are Gemini now. You tap on create image, then this comes out. You paste your prompt. You go look for a picture that has your face. You should look for a picture that brings out your face very well, because you can't upload a blurry. So we'll be using this. You won't upload a blurry picture or a picture that does not show your face well, so that you won't get a result that you will not be happy with. So make sure that the picture you're uploading is a picture that has your exact face. And also, you remembered in the instruction said keep my exact facial features, don't alter anything. So it also helps the AI to know that don't add anything to my face. Okay, so let's go ahead to generate this and see what comes out. Okay, I think the network is okay. My god, wow, this is beautiful. This is beautiful. So this is it. You can, if you don't want this logo to appear here, you can crop and edit, and you see this is how it comes out. This is looking so beautiful. You see the concept, you see everything. I don't even need a studio picture anymore. You can give any kind of instruction. If you don't want a blazer, maybe you want a hoodie, just anything you want, just give it to it and you have your desired results.